Europe must end its dependence on fossil fuels, notably gas imported from Russia. This is becoming an urgent need with the skyrocketing energy prices, and if Russia decided unilaterally to interrupt its gas supply to European countries. European energy consumers should play a vital role in reducing gas demand and EU energy dependency, and not be the passive victims of energy geopolitics. They have a precious demand-side flexibility potential to unleash. How? Our homes, offices, hospitals, schools, vehicles and industries should become prosumers that generate and store on-site renewable electricity. They should also be enabled to share and trade the renewable electricity generated in the local community they are part of. This development will drastically reduce the need for electricity produced from fossil fuels. In parallel, all energy-consuming sectors should be able to reduce their energy demand in peak hours, when electricity is mainly produced by gas and prices are high, and consume more when renewable electricity is abundant in the grid. Thanks to this flexibility potential from electricity demand sectors, in 2023 we can achieve a reduction of 3.7% in Russian gas imports and 16 billion euros in savings in total gas costs compared to a scenario with no activation of this demand-side flexibility potential. In order to stimulate the activation of this dynamic, time-dependent, flexible consumption by all end users, the European Commission and Member States should now agree on the introduction of a national target to reduce peak electricity demand, starting this upcoming winter and gradually increase efforts to 2030. It should be the first priority among the emergency electricity market interventions. The European Parliament is fully on board with this measure, as it is already included in its position on the revision of the Renewables Directive. To give an example, the Dutch transmission system operators TenneT calculated that industrial sectors alone can contribute to peak demand reduction for an average between 10 and 17% in each member state if their flexibility is activated. If all energy-consuming sectors, from buildings to vehicles and industries, are enabled to contribute, the EU energy system will become much more resilient, secure and efficient. This will be an impactful measure to beat the skyrocketing energy costs for all consumers, to reduce our dependence from fossil fuels, avoid congestions and increase the cost-effective penetration of renewables.